Welcome to Happy Tunes TV.
Well, welcome to the A-Berry, where letters turn to treats so sweet. Let's mix and bake from A to Z, with cakes and cookies good to eat. A is for apple pie, warm and round. B is for brownie, that's soft and sound. C is for cupcake, creamy and tall. D is for donut, the yummiest of all. E is for eclairs with chocolate on top. F is for fudge that makes you hop. G is for gingerbread with buttons so neat. H is for honeycomb, crunchy and sweet. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. J is for jelly, it wiggles and runs. K is for Kit Kat, crunch, crunch, crunch. L is for lemon tart, packed in a bunch. M is for muffin, blueberry and big. N is for nougat, you'll love to dig. O is for oat cookies, golden and wide. P is for popsicle, let's take a ride. Q is for quince pie, not very known. R is for rainbow cake in a zone. S is for s'mores, melty and warm. T is for toffee, twisty in form. U is for upside down cake surprise. V is for vanilla cream that flies. W is for waffle stacked so high. X is for Xmas cake, oh my, oh my. Y is for yogurt, swirl in a cup. Z is for zucchini bread, eat it up. So that's our bakery, A to Z. Say your letters one by one, and baking time is always fun.
Bye bye kids, please subscribe the channel and like the video.